Say goodbye to million-dollar film sets, giant studios, and endless crew. Because you no longer need them. What once required cameras worth tens of thousands, lighting rigs the size of a room, and entire production teams can now be done by one person at a desk. Thanks to AI video tools, creating cinematic commercials, product showcases, and faceless YouTube content is not just possible, it's accessible. Imagine producing a professional-grade ad in minutes, complete with realistic voiceovers, cinematic visuals, and even a human presenter, all powered by AI. No actors, no cameras, no directors yelling, "Cut." In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create AI-generated videos step by step. The same process brands are already using to launch ads, explainers, and campaigns at a fraction of traditional costs. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or business owner looking to compete with the big agencies, this workflow will put studio-level power on your laptop. Let's dive in. We'll cover 5 stages that take you from blank page to finished AI commercial. Stage 1, plan and script. Brainstorm, structure, and draft your message. AI can co-write. Stage 2, AI voiceover. Generate studio-quality narration with tools like 11 Labs. Stage 3, AI visuals. Build scenes with Runway, Google VO3, or Kling. Add avatars for presenters. Stage 4, editing and assembly. Sync narration and visuals, add music, polish pacing. Stage 5, final touches and publishing. Add branding, hooks, and export for your platform. Follow these steps and you'll walk away with a polished AI video that looks like it came from a high-budget studio. Step 1, plan your video and write a script. Every great commercial starts with a script. The difference now is you don't need a team of copywriters. AI can help. Begin by clarifying your goal. Are you selling a product, explaining a service, or telling a story? Once clear, outline the structure. Hook. Hook means grabbing attention fast. It can be a stat, question, or a bold claim. Body. In body, highlight benefits, tell a story, show transformation. CTA, finally, tell the viewer exactly what to do next. If writing isn't your strong suit, tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can generate a first draft. Example prompt. Write a 45-second ad script for a fitness app in a friendly, high-energy tone with a clear call to action. Now, refine the output. AI gives you speed. Your touch ensures accuracy and tone. Read it aloud. If a sentence feels robotic, rephrase it. Spoken scripts should sound conversational, not like essays. Pro tip. For pacing, 150 words approximately equals 1 minute of narration. So an 8-minute faceless video is approximately 1,000 to 1,200 words. A 45-second ad? Approximately 110 words. Once the script feels natural, lock it in. Step 2. Generate a voiceover with AI. Traditionally, voiceovers meant hiring talent, renting a studio, and paying hundreds per recording. Now, you paste your script into 11 Labs or Microsoft Azure TTS and get a natural, expressive voice instantly. 11 Labs offers ultra-realistic voices and even custom cloning, so you can create a consistent brand voice across campaigns. Choose tone like energetic for ads, calm for tutorials, authoritative for explainers. Adjust speed, pitch, and pauses until it feels right. Export in MP3 or WAV. The result? A crisp, professional narration that sounds like a human actor without hiring one. Another pro tip. Create multiple voice styles for different campaigns. One upbeat, one serious, one storytelling. Step 3. Create the visuals with AI. This is where the magic happens. Building cinematic shots without cameras. You now have multiple powerhouse tools. Runway Gen 3. It is perfect for cinematic ad-style shots. Create product demos, lifestyle scenes, or futuristic concepts. Features like camera motion brushes let you control angles and zooms, so your scenes look directed, not random. Google VO3. It is built into Gemini, Google Videos, and Photos. Generates short, clean, realistic clips, great for polished B-roll or lifestyle visuals. Kling AI. Excels at long-form 720p or 1080p generations and multi-reference prompts. Ideal for storytelling sequences and smooth cinematic flow. Here's a workflow. Step 1. Break your script into scenes. Step 2. For each line, prompt the AI with what's needed. Step 3. Generate, review, and refine. If the first attempt isn't perfect, tweak the prompt or add a reference image. Example: a close-up of sparkling iced coffee being poured into a glass, cinematic lighting, 4K. Other options include, for AI avatars, as it can be HeyGen, Synthesia, or Colossian, let you add a presenter to your video. Perfect for training or corporate explainers. For custom images, such as unique graphics, use Midjourney or DALL-E for illustrations, charts, or infographics, then animate them. Pro tip: think like a director. Don't just accept whatever clip comes out, regenerate until you get the perfect shot. AI tools are fast, leverage that to reach agency-level polish. Step 4. Edit and assemble the video. Now combine the ingredients. Even with AI, editing is what makes a video feel professional. Use Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or CapCut. Here are the steps. Drop your voiceover into the timeline. Import AI visuals and align them with narration. Use captions. Many tools auto-generate from your script. Add subtle transitions, crossfades, cuts on beats. Choose background music, royalty-free libraries, or AI-generated tracks. Keep it soft, minus 20 decibels under narration. Add sound effects, a click, whoosh, or chime, for emphasis. Check pacing. Visuals should change every 5 to 10 seconds in ads to maintain energy. For faceless explainer videos, keep it varied with cuts, pans, or animated overlays. Pro tip: insert branded elements, logo animations, product shots, or subtle watermarks. Even faceless videos should feel unique to your channel or company. Step 5. Final touches and publishing. Here's where you polish like a pro. Hook intro. Add a 5-second cold open before your video officially begins. Example: what if your morning coffee could power your whole day? This maximizes retention. Branding: animated logo stinger at the start, watermark in a corner, or outro bumper. Calls to action: visually prompt likes, subscribes, or for commercials, add bold CTAs. Download now, visit our site, or shop today. End screens: leave 15 to 20 seconds clean for YouTube end cards. Resolution check: export in 1080p or 4K if your generated visuals support it. Device test: watch once on desktop, once on mobile. If it looks and sounds great in both, it's ready. Publish with strong metadata, SEO-friendly title, description, and tags. For social platforms, cut variations: a 60-second TikTok edit, a 30-second Instagram reel, and the full version on YouTube. And there you have it. 5 steps to produce studio-quality videos without studio costs. We went from blank page to professional commercial, planned and scripted a message, generated realistic voiceovers with AI, built visuals with Runway, VO3, and Kling. Assembled everything into a seamless story. Polished with branding, hooks, and exports. The takeaway? I just leveled the playing field. What once required million-dollar sets, actors, and production teams can now be created by you, at home, with AI tools. So what will you create? An ad for your startup? A viral faceless YouTube video? A cinematic product launch without hiring a crew? Drop your ideas in the comments. If this guide helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and share. It keeps me creating more deep dives into the tools shaping the future of content. Happy creating, and welcome to the new era of AI-powered filmmaking.